Did you know that 70 of millionaires got rich through investing in real estate? But here's the shocking truth. It's not about the asset itself, but rather the mindset and strategy behind it. You see, most people believe that building wealth is all about landing a high-paying job, saving money, and investing in stocks. But the conventional wisdom taught in schools and media is flawed. It's like trying to build a house on shaky ground. It's only a matter of time before it all comes crashing down. The simple truth is that the traditional approach to wealth building focuses on income, not assets. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. No matter how much you pour in, the money will continue to leak out. The wealthy, on the other hand, understand the power of leveraging assets to build wealth. They know that assets can generate income, appreciate in value, and provide tax benefits, all while requiring minimal effort and maintenance. So, what is the simple wealth formula? It's not a complicated formula or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's actually quite simple. Earn more, save more, invest more, and compound your wealth over time. But here's the key. It's not just about earning more money. It's about leveraging assets to generate passive income, reduce taxes, and increase your net worth. And the beauty of it is that anyone can apply the simple wealth formula, regardless of their income or financial situation. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, taxes. The truth is, most people are unaware of the power of tax-advantaged accounts and compound interest. They think that saving money in a traditional savings account is the best way to build wealth. But the reality is that money in a savings account is subject to taxes, inflation, and fees. It's like putting your money in a low-yielding savings account that's slowly losing value over time. On the other hand, tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k), IRAs, and Roth IRAs offer a powerful way to build wealth while reducing taxes. They allow you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reduce your taxable income, and grow your wealth tax-free. And when you withdraw the money in retirement, it's tax-free, or at least it should be. But here's the thing, most people don't know how to optimize their tax-advantaged accounts, and that's where the simple wealth formula comes in. So, how can you apply the simple wealth formula to your life? First, you need to understand your financial situation and goals. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to retire early, send your kids to college, or buy a dream home? Once you know what you want, you can start building a plan to get there. The first step is to earn more money. This can be done by increasing your income, starting a side hustle, or investing in assets that generate passive income. But here's the thing. It's not just about earning more money. It's about leveraging your income to build wealth. This means investing in assets that appreciate in value, generate passive income, and provide tax benefits. The second step is to save more money. This means creating a budget, cutting expenses, and allocating a portion of your income towards savings. But here's the thing. Saving money in a traditional savings account is not the best way to build wealth. You need to think about tax-advantaged accounts, compound interest, and asset allocation. The third step is to invest more money. This means investing in assets that generate passive income, appreciate in value, and provide tax benefits. This can include real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. But here's the thing, investing in assets is not just about the asset itself. It's about the mindset and strategy behind it. The final step is to compound your wealth over time. This means letting your money grow through compound interest, reinvesting dividends, and avoiding fees. But here's the thing, compounding your wealth is not just about the math. It's about the mindset and strategy behind it. So, how can you start applying the simple wealth formula to your life? First, you need to start with a clear understanding of your financial situation and goals. Then, you need to create a plan to achieve those goals. This means earning more money, saving more money, investing more money, and compounding your wealth over time. But here's the thing, the simple wealth formula is not just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. And the best part is that it's not complicated. It's actually quite simple. So what are you waiting for? Start applying the simple wealth formula to your life today and watch your wealth grow over time. So what exactly is this simple wealth formula? And how can you start applying it today? Well, it all comes down to three core components that work together in harmony to help you build wealth over time. These components are asset appreciation, income generation, and tax optimization. Let's break them down one by one to understand how they fit into the simple wealth formula. First, we have asset appreciation. This refers to the value of an asset increasing over time due to various factors such as inflation, demand, or improvements in the asset itself. Think of it like buying a house in a growing neighborhood that's likely to appreciate in value over the years. However, it's not just about buying any old asset. It's about choosing ones that have a high potential for appreciation and align with your financial goals. Next up is income generation. This is where you earn money from your investments through various means such as dividends, interest, or rental income. The key here is to create a consistent stream of income that can help you build wealth over time. For example, investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can provide a regular income stream. Lastly, we have tax optimization. This is where the simple wealth formula comes into play. By understanding how taxes work and how to minimize your tax liability, you can keep more of your hard-earned money and invest it wisely. This might involve strategies like tax loss harvesting, charitable donations, or investing in tax-efficient vehicles. Let's take a look at a real-world example of how the simple wealth formula can be applied in practice. Meet Emily and Ryan, a young couple who wanted to pay off their mortgage in 5 years. They started by investing in a rental property, which provided them with a steady income stream through rental payments. They then used this income to invest in other assets that appreciated in value over time, such as stocks and real estate investment trusts. To optimize their taxes, they worked with a financial advisor to minimize their tax liability through strategies like tax loss harvesting and charitable donations. The result? They were able to pay off their mortgage in just 5 years, achieving their goal of becoming debt-free. Now, you might be wondering how to get started with the simple wealth formula. The key is to begin early and consistently invest in assets that align with your financial goals. Dollar cost averaging is a great strategy to start with, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. Starting early is crucial because even small, consistent investments can add up over time. For example, if you start investing $500 per month at age 25, you'll have invested over $180,000 by the time you're 65, assuming a 7 annual return. That's a significant amount of money that can help you achieve your financial goals. Now, let's recap. We've discussed the conventional wealth-building methods and the simple wealth formula. But here's the thing, it's not just about the formula itself, but also about the mindset and habits required to succeed. Building wealth takes discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a journey that requires consistent effort and dedication. In the next section, we'll explore the importance of mindset and habits in achieving financial success. We'll discuss how to cultivate a wealth mindset, overcome common obstacles, and stay motivated on your journey to financial freedom. So, how can you start applying the simple wealth formula in your own life? Let's talk about real-world examples and practical strategies for success. When it comes to building wealth, many of us are familiar with the concept of compound interest. But did you know that you can maximize its power by using tax-advantaged accounts such as 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA? By contributing to these accounts, you can grow your wealth exponentially over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Let's take the case of a successful entrepreneur who used the simple wealth formula to build multiple streams of income. She started by investing in a real estate trust, which generated a steady stream of passive income through rental properties. She then diversified her portfolio by investing in dividend-paying stocks, which provided a regular income stream. To top it off, she optimized her tax strategy by using a tax loss harvesting technique, which allowed her to minimize her tax liability and keep more of her hard-earned money. So, how can you apply these strategies in your own life? Here are 5 simple steps to get started with the simple wealth formula today. 1. Identify your financial goals and start saving aggressively towards them. 2. Invest in tax-advantaged accounts such as 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA to maximize your returns. 3. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of assets, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds. 4. Optimize your tax strategy by using techniques such as tax loss harvesting and tax-deferred exchanges. 5. Focus on building multiple streams of income, such as through dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or a side hustle. The simple wealth formula is a game changer for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. By understanding the 3 core components and applying the practical strategies outlined in this video, you can start building wealth in no time. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and start building the wealth you deserve.